Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Paul. He wants to say hi. Just say hi. Isn't he a cutie? I love him. Oh my gosh. Alright, well he's already looked into this, he's already looked into my boxycharm for me, so there's that. And I'm just gonna assume he was willing to show you guys what I got. I'm gonna try to do it with him in my arms because he's so tempted to look through this box. Well, anyways, yes, it is that time of the month again. boxycharm. I have looked at my sneak peek preview, although they didn't show me everything. And this variation, I don't know what variation it is, but I do know that it was 0.96 pounds is what the thing said. Excuse me. Alright, so anyways, let's see what box is this. This is variation number 3. 3. Where's the camera? Girl. Number 3. Alright, so anyways, without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, the first thing that's previewed on my piece of paper is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now this is pretty hard. I mean, this is metal, ladies. This is metal. I had no idea that this would be metal. The packaging is so pretty. I was very... Stop! You're giving me attitude. You are giving me attitude. You guys, you need to see his face. You're giving me attitude. Okay, so anyways, Better Than Sex mascara. Is it? Who knows? I've heard kind of a lot of bad reviews on this. I hear that it flakes, but just because of the packaging, now I do want to try it, you know, and maybe use it as a baton on my husband. Who knows? And this sets you back $24. So yeah, but apparently it's got film forming polymers to lock in your lashes for a perfect curl. And then the brush I hear is quite fluffy and voluminous. Do you see that? Very pretty. It's also not waterproof, and I like waterproof because my allergies, and I'm a very emotional person. So I don't know when I'll try it. Right now I'm still currently working on my It Cosmetics mascara. Also a baton for my son. My son actually hit me on the head with it. Quite painful if I do say so. Alright, so that was the first product. The next product, it says, is Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlight. Can you not hit me, sir? I'm in the middle of a video. He goes, alright, so this is the shimmering one highlight, but I didn't want this one. I wanted the bronzer because I am not a big fan of highlighters. I feel like they emphasize like all the, because I have a hairy face, guys, okay? I'm Mexican and all of that shows. I don't want that. I don't want people to know that I have a freaking beard. I'm just kidding. Highlight doesn't go here, but you know what I'm saying. Like, if I did have a beard, I'm sure my beard would go all the way up here. I just have a very hairy face, hairy arms, hairy everything. Where there shouldn't be hair, there's hair. So anyways, I did get this. I'm not going to swatch it, like I said. I got to debate whether or not I even want to try it, but yes. This one, it'll set you back $32. So far, this one is the pricier item within the box. Oops. Oh. Alright, we're getting through this haul. I'm just about done. The next one that we've got is this Touch and Soul, and it's a primer. Hopefully I'm doing it justice. It is a primer. It does come with a pump. I recently ran out of my primer. I haven't used the last one that we got in a box, maybe in August. No, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, so it does come with a pump. It has a pump. This is glass. It's glass. Yeah, I don't know what I was trying to show you guys, but it's glass, and it's very heavy. I do like the presentation, the packaging of this. Apparently Paul is excited too. This Touch and Soul will set you back $18. So, first expensive. Okay, so this is the most expensive. Second, less expensive. And then third, less expensive. So, this is what we've got going on right now. All right, the next one that we've got is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. All right, I was jealous of all those girls that got that little container for pharmacy that took off all their makeup. I was just like, are you kidding? My sister-in-law got it and she said, ew, it's greasy. And I was like, I wanted it, so I would have traded her, but she gave it to my mother-in-law, and my mother-in-law tried it, but you know what, it kind of helped. It worked out because I stole a little bit and I absolutely fell in love with it. I wish I would have gotten that one, but instead now I've got the facial cleanser, which I'm going to use it on my eyes anyways. We'll see how it works. So all I use is coconut oil to remove my face. This one will set you back $22. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we got the bronzer first. The mascara, this, and then this being the least expensive. So most expensive to the least expensive. And last but not least is this Tristique blah blah blah. So this is actually the primer that I've been using from like a sample size, and I loved their primer. I'm actually using it right now. You know what? And it's like really smooth and buttery. It's crazy. So I don't know. I don't really use berry colors. I'm more into the reds and stuff. So we'll see how this works. But it says it's double-sided. So primer on this side, lipstick on this side. I don't want to open it just yet. And the color is an English Rose. This one will set you back $25. All right, so the least expensive product in here was the Touch and Soul. So yeah. Anyways, I've been doing it, as y'all can see, like going from the least expensive to most expensive. But anyways, so that was my box for the month of February. All right, so this has to be one of my least favorite boxes that I have received. I've maybe had one box that I thought was like, whoa, this is perfect, this is great, and it was the November one. Honestly, I didn't care for a highlight. I would have much rather preferred to get a palette, since the last month's palette was crap. Well, to me, I thought it was crap. Probably was good, but I gave it to my sister because to me, it wasn't enough for me. Do you get what I'm saying? I like colors, I like warm colors. And I also gave my Pretty Vulgar one to my sister as well, because I'm not into colors like that. I'm more into like warm tones. So, anyways, I'm kind of upset with this box. The two products, no, well, I'm really excited for this one. I really want to try this one. Second, I'm excited about this one. And then this one is the next one, although all the reviews that I've heard are not the best. And these are my least favorite products that I got. I'm so sad I didn't get a palette, because the month before the Tarte one, I ended up getting the straightener, which is fine because I heard that palette wasn't the best either. So I hope they step it up next month. So anyways, I'm glad that I shared it with you guys, and thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you so much. All right, y'all have a good day, and until next time, bye.